Aww.
That was absolutely
The most innovative thing he's ever done in Elden Ring.
I thought it looked cool, so I started drooling.
I thought it was a cool aesthetic, so he wanted to do it.
I thought it looked
I
hard.
honestly think it would be cool if you record our Elden Ring seamless stuff.
Oh, remember when we raped that one guy? It would be cool, actually. Oh, remember when we raped that one guy?
Do you think Godric would be a twink without all those limbs?
Without all those arms,
Dodge
yeah.
it. He's like just like some
Do you think it's
5'4" guy, like no muscle, right?
Do you
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he's like a fucking malnourished
think his
guy.
boy pussy would feel really good?
What? Do you think Godric's a little boy pussy? Do you think Godric's a boy
What do you
pussy?
think? Is Dodge breedable?
Is Godric pretty
Fucking hope you don't do the fucking fart. That's how more stuff.
Don't fart, bro. Don't fart, bro. Don't fart. Stop!
Oh, I bet you not that.
Stop it!
That's a long ass fucking neck.
Oh, you nasty ass kid. That shit was so gross.
What was the fucking point of this little bit like that?
Oh, you're about to feel now?
You're He's talking like LeBron James.
Oh man. His speech pattern. His speech pattern.
What if
is
LeBron
better
James
than-
had a death poker in real life? Like he like
What if he used the death
LeBron
poker?
James down with LeBron James down with
What if he-
Whipsicle stab
The-
Mighty Tower.
LeBron James
What is-
using mystical staff.
LeBron James found using unknown staff of power.
Oh, guys,
Staff of unknown power says.
he pulls
Staff
up.
of mysterious power.
Imagine being like an opposition of fucking LeBron, and he pulls out the ghost, the fucking.
What if he fucking pulls out the fucking?
What are you doing?
What? She's not the.
You know who else?
Just died.
You.
Oh wait. I fucked it up.
I'm waiting. We're waiting. Oh, I can't wait. Is it right here?
Wait, I'm looking for the thing to drop.
What is he doing behind the pillar?
Look at this rare drop, guys. Look at this rare drop.
You actually. What the?
Rare
What the
1%
heck?
confidence.
Wow, what is
Wow,
this?
what is it?
It's a broadsword.
I didn't
Both
even
of you
pick
picked
it
it up
up.
at the same time.
Wow, I got the drop.
I got the broadsword.
Whoa.
Wow, I got the broadsword, guys. Look. How do you spell it?
I don't know. He got one letter off.
This guy is so
This
retarded.
guy is so retarded, and he's calling us.
He is
stupid.
retarded, bro.
He's retarded.
He's retarded. Hey, you want to pick him and call him retarded? What's his name? Fucking Dirt? Dirt?
Yeah, his name was Derek.
Yeah, I think his name was Derek.
Is it Gomar? It's Gomar, right? Shut up.
What was that combinational sound? You fucking burped it.
Darth. What?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
Did you join the menu?
Darth Vader giving back shots.
Take one look and die.
Darth Vader giving you back shot.
I'm dying.
I might die here, so.
Darth Vader giving you back shots.
What is this? What is this below you? I literally just got the worst bloom in history.
Are you gonna
The
clip
only
that
thing
again?
I need is the ace of spades. Hey,
You're so
man.
immature.
We're gonna do. Hey, do you like this skin right here? Like this. You like?
That's very.
Should I refund it
I don't know.
so I can get the gritty?
I can't do it. What they doing in the Altus Plateau?
They live here.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Oh my, this is a fucking rune bear.
Was there poison mist back here?
I thought you already had it.
They're farting on us.
Alright.
Why are you guys getting excited?
Don't look back, just keep running. Come on.
What the fuck is happening?
Just don't look back.
Dude, don't look back.
Oh yeah, they have.
Sit
yeah,
down.
these
Sit
coaches
down.
have 2 seats.
Sit down.
Do not look back. Do not look back.
Huh? Oh yeah, I want to fucking make sure not to fucking sit in the grace unless just to reset the dragon.
Wait, I want to get this item.
We're like little fucking ants trying to get this shit.
You don't see shit. Oh, were you guys looking at the cutscene with me? My fault.
Why is Mario like
Oh,
Mario.exe looks normal from the back, but if you look at the fucking front, he's evil.
Wait,
from the back. Alright, where the fuck we go?
Look like a normal fucking guy from the back, yeah.
These guys. One of these guys.
Should we kill them?
Yeah, let's kill him.
Which one? Left or right?
Let's go this guy first.
I'll go the left. Poor man's about to get raped.
No, he's not.
No, yes he is.
He is getting time to rape himself. Alright, he fell. It's a visceral.
Okay. Visceral. Holy shit! What is he doing inside the fucking goop? Why are you doing this in the goop?
That was the wrong one! That was the wrong one! Why? I have to go.
Okay. Oh.
Well, they're still alive.
Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry, I was gone for a
Hey
bit.
man. Oh my god!
Come in, I'm gonna need you to skip another cutscene, alright?
Oh my god! Can we
Man,
get
I'm gonna
the
need you to
fucking
skip another
brains?
cutscene, alright?
Another cutscene, bro.
What is this horse?
Look at that, begging you!